So I've been on the hunt for a solid AI image enhancer for a while now. Something that actually works on real photos, not just clean studio shots. And after testing a bunch of different tools, I came across Aiarty Image Enhancer. And honestly, it caught my attention pretty quickly. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what it does, show you some real before and after results, and give you my honest thoughts on whether it's actually worth using. Aiarty is an AI-powered image enhancement tool that's designed to fix the stuff that makes photos look bad. Things like noise and grain, compression artifacts, soft or blurry focus, and just that overall lack of detail that you get from older or lower quality images. But it goes beyond just cleanup. You can upscale images up to very high resolutions like 16K or beyond, which is pretty wild. There's also a face restoration feature that specifically enhances facial detail and restores clarity in low-quality portraits that have gone blurry or pixelated over time. On top of that, it also includes tools like object removal, color adjustment, and batch processing for workflow efficiency, so you can run it across multiple images at once, instead of doing everything one by one. Now, what's interesting is that Aiarty gives you different AI models to choose from, depending on what kind of image you're working with. There's the more detail GAN model, which is great for sharpness and texture detail, things like skin and hair. Then there's the AIGC smooth model, which is tuned for AI-generated images, but also handles general content really well. And there's the real photo model, which is diffusion-based and works best for high-quality photography, where you want to keep that natural, realistic look. Each one has its own sweet spot, so it's worth trying a few on the same image to see which one gives you the best result. All right, let me show you how this actually works. For the first test, I'm using a portrait shot that's a bit soft and compressed. Exactly the kind of image that usually looks rough when you try to upscale it. I'm going with the more detailed GAN model here. And I'm also switching on the face restoration feature. The difference in the skin texture and the eyes is immediately noticeable. It's not over-sharpened, it just looks cleaner and more defined. For the second example, I've got a landscape photo that's pretty low resolution. Now, instead of just jumping straight to a large upscale, I'm using what's called two-pass processing, which basically means the software first cleans and restores the image at its current size before then upscaling it. This approach gives you a much more natural result compared to going straight to X8 or higher in one shot. The real photo model works really well here. It holds on to that realistic texture instead of making everything look artificially sharp. And for the third test, I grabbed a compressed older group photo with faces that had lost a lot of detail. Face restoration on its own here does a solid job of bringing back structure to the faces without making anyone look like they've been through an over-processed filter. You can also control how strong the enhancement is using the strength slider. Keeping it lower gives you a more subtle, natural result, while pushing it higher really brings out the detail. I usually land somewhere in the middle, depending on the image. So overall, I've been pretty impressed with Aiarty Image Enhancer. It's not just a one-click fix. It gives you enough control to actually dial in the result you want. And the different AI models mean it handles a wide range of image types without feeling like a one-size-fits-all tool. If you're working with old photos, compressed images, or portraits that need some recovery work, this is genuinely worth trying out. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out yourself. And if you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more content like this.